How fast you were going?
Faster than I'm supposed to if you blokes pull me up.
Can you read?
Yeah, I can read pretty good.
Oh, and you'd be able to read the sign back there with the big 100 on it, wouldn't you?
You bastards. You put me on, aren't you? Not really going to book me, are you?
Can I see your licence, please?
Mate, you sure you want to give me this?
Bet your life. See the look on his face. What a redneck moron.
No, you're that's right. I am a pig shooter.
You know what I do to pigs? I won't stop squealing.